Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. When a crucial part on your DJI Air 2 drone needs replacing, finding the right component is absolutely essential to get you back in the air smoothly. We're looking at a specific repair part today, a genuine camera gimbal yaw arm with a motor mounting bracket designed specifically for the DJI Air 2, also known as the Mavic Air 2. This isn't a brand new part, but an original DJI item that is used, though described as being in very good condition. The yaw arm is a critical piece of the gimbal assembly, responsible for controlling the drone's horizontal camera movement. If this part is damaged, your footage will suffer and the drone's stability can be compromised. Opting for an original part, even if used, often provides a level of compatibility and performance that aftermarket parts might struggle to match. The description highlights that this is an original part item, suggesting it's more suitable for the drone's intricate systems compared to potentially less precise alternatives. One of the key benefits mentioned is the long service life. While it's a used part, the claim of long service life likely stems from it being an original component built to DJI standards. The materials used are described as high quality, contributing to this potential longevity. Furthermore, the part is noted to have less burrs and a good texture, which speaks to the manufacturing quality, even after some use. Better wear resistance is also highlighted as a feature that contributes to a longer lifespan, which is reassuring when installing a replacement part. Ease of installation is another significant factor for anyone undertaking a drone repair. The description states this yaw arm is easy to install, which is a major plus for drone owners who prefer to handle repairs themselves or want to minimize repair time. Replacing a gimbal component can be delicate work, so having a part designed for straightforward fitting is highly beneficial. Considering this is a used part, its condition is paramount. The information specifies it is original and used for DJI repair, but importantly, it is in very good condition. This suggests that while it has seen prior use, it has been inspected and deemed fully functional and aesthetically sound enough for reuse as a replacement part. For many, a good condition used original part can be a cost-effective solution compared to a brand new one, without sacrificing the reliability and perfect fit that comes with genuine components. The part includes the motor mounting bracket, meaning it's a more complete assembly ready for installation. This simplifies the repair process, as you're not just getting the arm, but also the necessary structure to mount the motor correctly. The color is listed as black, which is standard for the DJI Air 2 gimbal components, ensuring it matches the rest of your drone's aesthetic. Ultimately, for a DJI Air 2 owner facing a damaged gimbal yaw arm, this genuine, used but good condition replacement part presents a compelling option. It promises the correct fit and function of an original DJI component, potentially offering a long service life due to its quality materials and wear resistance, and is designed to be easy to install. It seems like a practical choice for getting your drone's camera system back to optimal performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.